Digestive system diseases. Digestive system diseases are disorders of the gastrointestinal tract, which include the esophagus, liver, stomach, small and large intestines, pancreas, and gallbladder. Common digestive disorders include gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, cancer, irritable bowel syndrome, lactose intolerance, and hiatal hernia. Other digestive diseases include stomach problems such as gastritis, gastric ulcers, cholecystitis, inflammation of the gallbladder, gallstones, and cholangitis. Pancreatitis, a disease condition characterized by inflammation of the pancreas, and pancreatic pseudocysts, collections of leaked pancreatic fluids. Rectal problems, such as anal fissure, hemorrhoids, proctitis, and rectal prolapse. Esophagus problems, such as achalasia, a difficulty for food and liquid to pass through the food pipe into the stomach. Liver problems, such as hepatitis, cirrhosis, liver failure, and liver cancer. Intestinal problems, such as polyps and cancer, celiac disease, Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, diverticulitis, malabsorption, and intestinal ischemia. The solution: MO-Mito organelles, the next level in cellular therapy. And NOP nano-organopeptides, tissue repair therapy with potent active ingredients. Visit our website to know more.